Alright, we're down here on range 3 again. Today we're with Remington 870 Tactical. I'm here to endorse this for home defense. You would elect to use a shotgun opposed to a handgun for home defense. And we're going hot.
Here we have a Saga 12 gauge, semi-auto, mag fed, shooting Federal double-aught buckshot. We're going to show a double assailant takedown. Going hot.
What we're going to do, we're going to have a shootout between tactical, old-fashioned, reliable pump 870 versus
Semi-auto Saga 12 gauge.
we're shooting Federal double-aught buck, full load rounds. We're going to see 5 rounds dump into the target as quick as we can go. And going hot. Got to give it to the Saga, but the 870 kept right up with her.